Alright guys, welcome to another Moonoveraquarius Experience. Today we are in Fairlands Park, but I just want to show you something what I found very interesting here at this park. They have like a little cage, like a bird cage, where you can take a book out, read the book, and when you're done bring it back, or you can just maybe put another book in yourself. The right thing to do would be to put your own book in there. But let me just show you how the park looks, and there's the bird cage behind me. Right, so this is the actual bird cage, as you can see, in front of a big beautiful tree. This nice tree it's under. Right, so let's go have a look at this cage. You can see it's got all the different books inside. As it says here, what it says. I think this is a really good idea. So, hope you guys enjoy.